Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm so glad you're here today because we're talking about something so many English learners want: how to practice English every day and become confident fast. Not someday, not maybe later, but starting today. So, if you've been feeling shy, nervous, or unsure when speaking English, this episode is for you. Let's get right into it. The first and most important step is creating a routine. It doesn't have to be a huge 2-hour study session. In fact, it's better if it's not. The key is consistency. So, let's start small. Can you find 15 minutes in your day? Just 15 minutes. Maybe it's during your morning coffee, on your commute, or right before you go to sleep. This is your English time. Protect it. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Just like brushing your teeth. Okay, so you have your 15 minutes. What do you do? This brings us to tip number 2. Active practice, not passive learning. Listening to English music or watching movies is great for exposure. But to speak confidently, you need to open your mouth and make some noise. So, for your 15 minutes, I want you to choose one active task. A great one to start with is shadowing. Find a short audio or video clip of a native speaker, maybe a 1-minute news segment, or a scene from your favorite TV show. First, listen to a sentence. Then, pause and repeat it exactly as you heard it. Try to copy the rhythm, the intonation, the emotion. Don't worry about sounding perfect. The goal is to get your mouth moving and your brain connecting sounds with words. Do this for just 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you'll be amazed at how your pronunciation and fluency improve. Now, let's talk about what to say when you're not shadowing. A common problem is thinking, I have nothing to talk about. Let's solve that right now. Tip number 3. Narrate your life. This is something you can do anytime, anywhere. Are you making breakfast? Say it out loud. Okay, I'm opening the fridge. I'm taking out the eggs and some milk. Now, I need to find a pan. It might feel silly at first, but you're practicing forming sentences in real time without the pressure of a conversation. You're connecting English words to your direct experience, which is incredibly powerful for memory. As you get more comfortable, you can start describing your thoughts and feelings. I'm feeling a little tired today, but I'm excited about the meeting later. This simple habit turns your entire day into an English practice opportunity. But what about vocabulary? It's hard to speak confidently if you're constantly searching for words. This is where tip number 4 comes in. Learn words in chunks, not lists. Instead of memorizing a long list of random words, learn phrases. For example, instead of just learning the word appointment, learn to make an appointment, to cancel an appointment. I have a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. When you learn words in these natural chunks or collocations, they become much easier to use in a real conversation. You don't have to build the sentence from scratch. You already have the pieces. A great way to do this is to keep a small notebook or a note on your phone. Whenever you hear or read a useful phrase, write it down. Then, during your practice time, try to create your own sentences using that phrase. So, we have a routine. We're shadowing, narrating our lives, and learning vocabulary in chunks. But the biggest hurdle for many is the fear of making mistakes. This brings us to the most crucial tip of all. Tip number 5. Change your mindset. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are trying. They are data. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something. Maybe you used the wrong preposition or mispronounced a word. Great. Now you know what to focus on. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. The goal is not perfection. It's communication. Did the other person understand you? If yes, you succeeded. So, give yourself permission to be imperfect. Laugh at your mistakes. Be kind to yourself. The more you embrace mistakes as part of the process, the less power your fear will have over you. Now, how do you put all this together and speak with actual people? Tip number 6 is to find low-pressure speaking opportunities. You don't have to jump into a high-stakes business presentation. Start small. Find a language exchange partner online. There are many apps and websites where you can find people who want to learn your native language and can help you with English. The expectation is that you will both make mistakes, which removes a lot of the pressure. Another great option is to talk to yourself in the mirror. Look yourself in the eye and talk about your day, your plans, or your opinion on a recent movie. It builds the muscle of speaking your thoughts out loud and helps you get comfortable with the sound of your own voice in English. Finally, tip number 7. Review and reward. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to think about your progress. Did you stick to your 15-minute routine? Did you learn a few new useful phrases? Acknowledge your effort. Maybe your reward is watching an episode of your favorite English show without subtitles, or buying that book you wanted to read in English. Celebrating these small wins is what builds momentum. It keeps you motivated and reminds you that you are making progress, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Confidence isn't something you just suddenly find. It's something you build day by day, one small, consistent action at a time. So, let's do a quick recap. 1. Create a consistent, daily 15-minute routine. 2. Focus on active practice like shadowing. 3. Narrate your daily life to practice forming sentences. 4. Learn vocabulary in chunks and phrases, not isolated words. 5. Change your mindset and embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. 6. Find low-pressure speaking practice, even if it's just with yourself. And 7. Review your progress and reward your effort. I know this might seem like a lot, but remember, you just need to start with one thing. Pick one of these tips and try it for a week. Maybe you'll start with the 15-minute shadowing practice. Just commit to that. Once it becomes a habit, you can add another one. You have the ability to become a confident English speaker, and it starts with the small choices you make every single day. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos to help you on your English journey. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. I'd love to hear from you. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!